you can probably see something different now. I'm filming now on an iPhone 13 Pro. Yes, I'm filming on a 13 Pro now, so videos are going to be kind of better now. Because, look, this thing has smaller cameras than the iPhone 13 Pro. And yes, it's a 13 Pro. I'm now filming on. Now, let's get to the video with my new intro. Let's get to the video with my new intro. Wow, clocks. That was a surprise.
Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Dakota County and East Central Minnesota, West Central Goodhue County and Southeastern Minnesota.
Oh, shoot. That's why it's going off.
Per hour with gusty and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's a surprise.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cannon Falls around 8:55 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following county: Goodhue, Minnesota.
Wow.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475.
Wow. Wow. That was a surprise. Wow, that was a surprise. That was a surprise. That was a surprise. That was a surprise. Twin Cities. Wow, that was a surprise. Thanks, Twin Cities, for scaring, surprisingly. What is this?
At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near River Falls, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Say tornado.
Expected hazards include tornado.
Oh no.
This is a radar-indicated threat.
Glad to
The
see
following
tornado.
impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. This dangerous storm will be near River Falls around 9:35 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I don't know
Avoid windows.
what it was.
If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
I don't know what that was.
A strong
I don't
thunderstorm
know.
will impact portions of central Washington and central St. Croix counties through 9:30 p.m.
I don't know what that
At
was.
8:51 p.m.,
I don't know what
Doppler radar
counties
was
for that
tracking a
was
strong
for.
thunderstorm over Bayport, or 13 miles north of
I don't know what that was issued for.
35 miles
I think that was a
per hour.
tornado warning. I don't know.
Rotation is present with these storms,
I don't
and
know.
a few brief funnel clouds may develop.
I don't know.
Expected hazards.
What county? I think that was World Place, Wisconsin. I don't know.
Any size hail.
I don't know.
This is a radar-indicated
I
threat.
don't know.